everyone, Anke here with a new layout inspiration and process video for Hip Kit Club. Today I create my first layout with the beautiful January hip kits, and I focus on the January mixed media clear stamps, which are included in the January color kit, and the January 2024 nested arch metal die set. I want to create a layout with a lot of text, which I cut with the arch metal dies, but first I frame my photo. I choose one of the arch dies, place it on my photo and add small pieces of tape to make sure that the die stays in place. Then I run it through my die cut machine. I glue the photo on white cardstock and use the next larger arch die to cut a frame. And finally, I set an eyelet. I choose paper and cardstock in matching colors. The Hip Kit Club exclusive, the Good Life Priceless, Dreams and Happiness papers, and the Essential Solids Preppy Blue and Koi Coral cardstock from the January cardstock kit. Then I cut tags in different sizes using the nested arch dies. I pierce holes and set eyelets and add twine. And here are my finished tags. Now I fussy cut flowers from the Hip Kit Club exclusive The Good Life Priceless paper. Arrange the text and my photo on my layout. pick out some die cuts from the Good Life ephemera pack, which is included in the January main kit, and from the Good Life tag and journaling spot die cuts pack, which you can find in the January embellishment kit. Then I add some of the fussy cut leaves and flowers. And I add some of the mini puffy shape stickers, which are included in the general embellishment kit. I also add one of the puffy phrase and title stickers, which you can find in the general main kit. And then I adhere everything. I add my title, 2 puffy word stickers from the puffy phrase and title stickers pack. And now I choose 2 butterfly die cuts from the ephemera pack and add more puffy word stickers. Then I pierce holes and stitch the butterfly trails. I stamped some black splatters using the Faux mixed media clear stamps, which are included in the January color kit. Finally, I add some small fussy cut flowers and some of the Good Life gems, which you can find in the January embellishment kit. This is my finished layout. I hope you like it and enjoyed watching the process. Thanks so much for joining me.